offline stock management. Let us understand what is offline stock management and when it is used in operations. So first, you need to know closing stock. Closing stock is essentially the amount of stock present at your outlet and the inputting method of inputting that stock levels into the system. Usually it is done on your owner's dashboard by going to the outlet inventory section, and under inventory, consumption and closing stock. You can put in the closing stock here and click on save. But in the case when internet is not available at the outlet, you are supposed to log on to your POS platform, and in your POS platform, only via your main server this feature will be available. So go to your POS software in the main server, and then on the left hand side go to operations. Under operations you will find inventory, where offline stock management will be visible. As you can see here, these two stock items are available in my offline stock. The cloud stock is 20,012 ml and 22 pieces, and the current offline stock is 20,000 ml and 20 pieces. Now this is used whenever there is internet connectivity problems. Once the internet connectivity comes back, you can auto update these raw materials to the cloud level, and both the inventories can be tallied. So first, let us see how to do an entry here. You can apply filters on the basis of raw materials or on the basis of display records. You can reset this by clicking here, search it by clicking here. This button is used to copy cloud stock to offline. It is first asking me to select the records. I have selected one record and I click on copy cloud stock to offline. As you can see here, the 22 piece directly popped up here. So it becomes easy for me to do the stock entries once the internet activity comes back. Or I can edit it also. Whatever you will put in here will be the current stock for both of the inventory now onwards. So I have put in ml and 21 pieces. You can apply comments here and click on save. As soon as you click on save, you can see that both the stock levels match the offline stock level, because that is the latest stock levels that we inputted into the system. This button is used in those cases when there is some change in recipe during the offline operations. It is recommended to only be used whenever a recipe is deleted. It will manually sync all the recipes from the offline outlet to the online cloud portals. So both the recipes can be accurate and similar. So this was all about offline stock listing in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.